The heart of it is based on the rotation of the rear wheel. And we built a custom sequencer, which Jeff will talk about, that basically steps through a piece of music. We've got 3 magnets that can actuate a switch on the rear wheel. So you get either a 16th note or an 8th note every time a magnet goes by. We have a force sensing resistor mounted on the front brake pads here, so that when you squeeze the front brakes, the value of the FSR changes, and we can use that as a controller. We also have a flex sensor mounted across the rear derailleur that can tell us basically what gear you're in on the back of the bike.
Like Mike said, we have some custom sequencers, which is actually the song Born to Be Wild in number form. Every time that the reed sensor on the rear wheel fires, it steps through all 7 of these sequences, 1 note at a time. And the bass guitar and the lead guitar have an on sequence and an off sequence. In addition to those, there's 3 drum tracks, a kick drum, a snare drum, and a hi-hat, which are linked up to the reed drum module in Reason. Also, the velocity of the notes that are being played depends on how fast the bike is going. It uses this timer function to measure the time in between bangs, and the shorter the duration, the higher the velocity. Oh, the force sensing resistor on the bike pedal is hooked up to the pitch bend of the lead guitar, so you can get a nice whammy bar sound. When the bike stops, it'll kill all the notes, and it ends with an awesome guitar drum crash.
In some of the gear ratios, it's just the magnets are going by way too fast. Alright, so I'm going to go down a couple of gears, which is not actually